Hey y'all, so I basically have like a everyday routine that everyday makeup routine that I do pretty much all the time. It's like 4 or 5 steps sometimes, mostly 4. So yeah, today I'm going to show you all my everyday makeup routine. I'm going in with this Rare Beauty concealer, and this is the shade 480W, so 480 warm, I guess. Where's my mirror? I'm gonna take it right here and then up here. Right there, I don't really know if that does much for me, but everyone does it, so I do it too. Oops. And then right there. And right there. And then sometimes I'll go over like some of my darkest spots. However, right now I don't have many. So yeah, I just go over like some of the darkest parts of my face, like some of the dark spots. Okay, dark spots. A good bit of dark spots. And then I just go in and pat it in. And then sometimes I go around my eye because, you know, some of us have dark circles. So just to brighten up that area a little bit. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much concealer this time. I swear I usually don't put that much. But like since I've been on this journey, like with my skincare and all, I really don't, you know, use that much makeup, like at all. So I go over those spots, and then sometimes I forgot what I was about to say. Oh, sometimes I go over my smile lines, so I'm gonna go over those as well. Okay, I'm using the NYX Dip Shape Go. So like it has the dipping pomade that you dip the brush in, and then it has like a brow brush, and then it has like the other brush at the other tip. So, but I usually just use the brow brush to go through. This boy just opened this door. He always does that when I'm recording. Okay, so I just go in with the brow brush, dip it lightly, because the first time I used this, I dipped it all the way through and it picked up so much product. I'm just gonna lightly go over my brows a good little bit and then go on from there. See how heavy this stuff is? This spot. I'm currently showing y'all what not to do because I literally put on too much. Right there. Okay, but y'all see how it like coats my brows, right? This is what I do. I'm just gonna try to clean this up a little bit and be done with it. I'm just gonna have to use this to like flip it off because I don't feel like moving. So like, blend it out a little bit. So next I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. It's the Matte Plus Poreless Powder. If you know me, I have been using this powder for like years. However, this is a shade too dark. But I don't think you can really tell the difference. So that's good. Yeah, so this is the shade 360 Mocha. I forgot what shade I usually use. I think it's like 345 or something like that. 355. I don't know. I really don't remember. Because the whole quarantine, like, I didn't use my makeup. And I currently have to throw away like a lot of makeup because I didn't use it. And then I mostly just take it up under my eyes. And then I just drag it out a little bit. This freaking fly. But yeah, I try not to put that much powder on. Well, really, like, any makeup products. Because I am on a skincare journey and I try not to do too much harm to my skin that needs to be, you know, done or whatever. But to me, like, this is my favorite group of products that I put on my face so far. And I also feel as though, like, now I have like this intolerance to makeup. Like, I can't wear it that long. Like, I just get sick of wearing it. Is anyone else like that? And I've also discovered that, like, I like teas more now, like, than coffee. Like, I don't know, I guess quarantine has turned me into a tea person. But I really enjoy teas now more than coffee. Sometimes when I'm feeling extra, I'll go in with this foundation from ColourPop. It's the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. Pretty good. I don't use it that much because, like I said, I don't like to put like a whole bunch of stuff on my face. Right, yeah. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This mascara is good, like, if you just want, like, if you just prefer really length over volume. I like both, but on like the everyday, this is perfect. I mentioned it in my Amazon haul, so this is perfect. I don't even really like put that much on the top lash. And then I just go over them and make sure that they're coated really, really good. So that's one side. And then sometimes I just go in with a little bit of like lip balm or whatever. Sometimes I use the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss. Yeah, this one is Beechwood. Love this one. So this is what I'm gonna use today just because it's over here. My favorite lip chap is not over here. I don't do an everyday eyeshadow or nothing like that. Sometimes I feel like less is more, and this serves that purpose for sure. If you're wondering about my earrings, by the way, they come from Shop Carrot Cake on Instagram. I love their shop. They also, well, they're on Etsy, so I'll leave their tag and everything right here. I have another pair of earrings that I got from her, and I absolutely love their stuff. So yeah, I just might do an earring haul for them, like once I get more earrings from them. So, and they're black on, just so you know. This is my everyday makeup routine. For those of you that have been wondering, or for those of you that don't really care but you watch my videos just to support me, thank you so much. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.